Mindanao, the settlement of tribe people that consists of the majority of Christians,
Muslims, and indigenous people as known as nomads.
Mindanao has a history of armed conflict and catastrophic events that in February 2019,
the Bangsamoro people ratified the Bangsamoro Organic Law.
Once President Rodrigo Duterte signs the Bangsamoro Organic Law, the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao will now be called the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region.
The law shall gratify and promote peace, unity, justice, and goodwill among all countrymen,
as well as the settlement of dispute, which are the Bangsamoros.
And our Christian denomination were less likely to experience discrimination towards religious practices and ideologies.
However, we empathize and share the same sentiments by acknowledging and respecting our fellow Muslim and nomads brothers and sisters.
we are all called to grow together in unity over time.
When the world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. Assalamualaikum.
Our lifestyle might divide us, but to live in peace was written in our fate long before we arrived. May we continue to do so.
Unity. Magkaiusa kita tungo sa kapag-uhan.
Resurgence. Mubangon kita gikan sa tanang pagsuway ug taliwala sa tanang mga hagit sa kinabuhi padulong sa kadalambagan.
Prosperity. Kita magtinabangay, magkigdaki, mag-amuma, kita wapo sa paglambo.